Welcome to Baluchi Zone. In this short video, we'll talk about Baluchi accents, particularly differences between Makorani and Karachi accents. Makorani accent is the one that I use for my Baluchi lessons. The differences between Makorani and Karachi Balochi, particularly from Liori, can be pinpointed in the following areas. Firstly, pronunciation of W. This is how we pronounce the following words in both accents. Baluchi, Balochi, Lueg, Log, Chuen, Chon. As you can see, words that consist of W in Makorani accents are pronounced with O in a Karachi Balochi accent. Also, we need to be wary of the letter A pronunciation, especially in the context of I am. For example, saying I am Murad is pronounced as Man Muradan in a Makorani accent, whereas in a Karachi accent it would be pronounced as Man Muradan. Secondly, in a Karachi Balochi there's a habit of attaching A to verbs. For example, going would translate to rawag in Baluchi. Rawag in a Karachi accent would be raug or rauga. Let me demonstrate by translating the following sentences in both accents. Where is he going? A کجا روگند A کجا روگند What are you doing? تو چیه کنگا تو چی کنگای I am a Baluch. من بلوچیم من بلوچیم. Thirdly, the letter H is often a silent letter in Karachi Balochi. For example, the word sister in Makorani Balochi is pronounced as Gwahar, Gwahar, whereas in the Liori Balochi they would say Gwar, Gwar. Camel, Hoshter, Oshter, Oshter. Lastly, Karachi Balochi uses more loanwords from Urdu or English. The word for friend is Sangat in Balochi. However, in Karachi Balochi, words like yar or dost are widely used instead of Sangat. I don't know why, but people in Liori are obsessed with the word yar or are yar. For instance, I would love to see someone from Liori that wouldn't use the word yar for one day. To showcase my point, this is how the following question can be translated in both accents. Friend, tell me what is happening. Sangat mana bugash chiye bagend. Are yar mana bugash chi bogain. Anyway, I better not keep this video too long. This was a small observation I've gathered after living a year in Liori. If you feel like I missed something or I should have added more to this video, then please let me know in the comment section below.